any software engineer here at MAQ Software is exposed to all aspects of the software development lifecycle, right from requirement gathering to basically design or architecture discussions, and then followed by, of course, coding and then testing and then maintaining the application. So what it helps them in understanding the whole picture of the software, what they are working on. They are getting equal opportunities to work on each aspect of the project lifecycle.
Every process needs to be fine-tuned, which helps that project to be more successful, and that is the understanding every project has in terms of what changes I need to make to the processes, so it's more fit within my context and I can utilize that successfully.
So with every new technology, we have to come up with a new process, or to make a project work successfully, we need a couple of tools. I think process is one such tool which gives us an opportunity to deliver great software.
There are various forums and various a structured path is defined for learning here. You got to learn new technologies, new things every day, and you have in the various forums you can demonstrate actually what you have learned, and then you actually get a project to work on those.
So it gave me all those growth opportunities which I wanted. So I joined as a systems intern 2.5 years back, and after 3 years I'm managing a team of 5 members. So the early growth you get here and the opportunities you get here is difficult to find in any other company.
Each of us basically has a project life cycle of 3 to 4 months over here. So that gives us an opportunity, then within a year we can work on 4 or 5 different projects. Growth wise, it is helpful in the terms because you're not just stuck to one domain, you're not stuck to one style of working. Within 4 or 5 projects, you work with different teams, you work with different clients, there are different expectations, and also a wide variety of technology that you'll be going through. So for an individual, that's an eye-opener. That's like you are just not, you're not in a well. You can basically expand your horizon and see that the same technology, how it can be used across different projects. At the same time, you're small things that you can learn and grasp from each of your projects and basically can help you grow as an individual. So you're much more richer when it comes to experience, you're much more richer when it comes to your hold on technology.
On a day-to-day basis, we get to talk to Redmond team, who is our face for the customer. Like we have our daily sync-ups and hurdles, they also have their daily sync-ups with the customers.
You get to know first-hand information directly with your client, because if you are directly communicating with your client, you get the requirements upfront. You get time to discuss with them, you understand their business problem, and then you try to come up a solution that will help them grow their business.
We are meeting once in a week with all 3 locations at a time. What we are doing, we are discussing about all those initiatives and priorities that we have set for the quarter. We are discussing the progress of those initiatives and priorities. We are also trying to present some of the PPTs or presentation on technologies exploration that some individual have or team have done, that will help us to pass on that knowledge to other team members so that they can also implement the same in their project if required.
Training is never outsourced. Training is something that we do in-house, and each of us have a moral responsibility of training the new batch that is coming in. We feel that whatever challenges that we had gone through and whatever hardships that we face, our next coming batch should be well prepared for those kind of challenges. So that is where each of us basically take personal interest in driving those trainings. So be it technical, be it process oriented, each of us will basically participate, deliver sessions to the upcoming team members and make them more ready for the challenging projects.
Whenever there is a new technology in, or if there is any changes or any new feature coming into a new technology, we have weekly sessions related to that. We have meetings with leadership, we have meetings with initiatives, and so those are the various factors with the help of which we learn here in MAQ.